guys, thanks for being here. In this video, I am teaching how to install Java JDK and also I am teaching how to set a path. Okay, first you already installed JDK 21 or not. Let's check. Open the command prompt. Check. Type the Java underscore version. Click them. It show not already installed. Okay, next install the JDK 21. Okay, let's open the browser, search the Java JDK. Now show many links there. Click the first link because now Java owned by Oracle. Okay, oh, hmm. First latest version is JDK 21. This not downloaded, only download JDK 21. Why? Because it's latest long time support. Okay, is long time support, but JDK 24 not long time support. Okay, don't download JDK 24, only download JDK 21. Okay, okay, now click on JDK 21. Okay, next many platform here. Linux, you have any platform, you click any, you have in the many click, you have any system, click on own system. Okay, I have Windows. Okay, three file type give. For you click x64 installer. Okay, click download it. Download is fast, very fast, because my I staying hostel right now, is provide hostel provide free Wi-Fi. They very fast, downloading very fast. Quick. Oh, very fast. Hmm. JDK Java game. Fast. Download it. Hmm. Java. Hmm. Okay. Download completed. Okay, click on this, open the file. You click yes button. Preparing install. Java downloader. Preparing install. Click the next button. Okay, you must note it down, which path here with future help. Okay, must you note it down that path. Okay, that path also, next you go that path, you copy that path. Okay, you note it down that path. Click the next. Downloading. Oh, fast, that is very fast. Copy files. Quick. Then successfully installed JDK 21. Okay, click the close button. Okay, let's open the file. Next, click the C folder. C. Next, open the programming file. Next, click the Java folder. Next, click the JDK 21. Next, click the bin. Next, after that, click the copy the path. After copy that, search that, edit the system environment variable. Okay. Next, environment variable, click. After that, the path, click. Next, click the new, that copy, that paste. Okay. Next, okay. Next, okay. Next, click okay. Okay, now path was successfully pasted. Next, check the installed or not installed. Open the command prompt, type the java underscore version. Oh, successfully installed. JDK 21 latest long time versions installed. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting